Good morning, class! Before we start, let me check your gadgets. Can you see me? That's good. How about, can you hear me? That's good. So our lesson is all about the soft and the loud sounds. Are you ready? So before we start, let us sing the English song.
It's time for the English class. Listen and sing.
Click, 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 clap, clap, clap. It's time for the English class. Click, 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 clap, clap, clap. The English class, the English class. Pick up your pencil. Put down your pencil.
Pick up your rubber. Put down your rubber.
Click, 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 clap, clap, clap. It's time for the English class. Click, 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 clap, clap, clap. The English class, the English class.
Pick up your sharpener. Put down your sharpener.
Pick up your crayon. Put down your crayon. Click, 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 clap, clap, clap. It's time for the English class. Click, 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 clap, clap, clap. The English class, the English class.
You are all awesome! All of you are great singers! I like it! So now, let us now proceed to our discussion. I want you to identify the pictures by listening the sounds. And after that, try to imitate each sound. Are you ready? Let us now start. For the first picture. That is a dog. Very good. And now, what is the sound of a dog? Can you imitate it? Ow, 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 ow. Very good. How about the next picture? What is that sound? Let's see. Very good. That is a cat. Now, can you imitate the sound of a cat? Meow, meow. Meow. That's nice. How about the third picture? Let us just wait. I think the sound of the third picture is cling, 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 cling. What is that sound? That is a handle. And the sound of a handle is cling, 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 cling. Okay. How about this fourth picture? An ambulance. Very good. What is now the sound of an ambulance? That's nice. And for the last picture, oh, the sound of this picture is not working. But I think the sound of this picture is broom, 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 broom. And what is that? That is a motorcycle. That's nice. So what is now the sound of a motorcycle? Very good. It's boom, 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 boom. A virtual clap for all of you. You did a great job. Very good. So now, what is a soft and a loud sound? Let's find out. Sounds can be classified into two. These are the soft sound and the loud sound. What is now the soft sound? Soft sound has a low volume, and loud sound has a high volume. Let us now apply. For this activity, I want you to identify if the sound is a soft or loud. Are you ready? How, how about this picture? It's ow, 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 ow. Is it loud or soft? Very good. Dog produces loud sounds. Okay, how about this one? The sound of a cat is meow, meow. What is that? Is it a loud sound or a soft sound? The cat produces a soft sound. Meow. How about this picture? This is a handbell. A handbell has a sound cling, 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 cling. What is this? Is this a soft or a loud? That's right. Handbell produces a soft sound. How about this one? The ambulance. What is the sound of an ambulance again? What is that? Is that a soft sound or a loud sound? That's a loud sound. That's great. And for the last picture, what is that? That is a motorcycle. That's great. So now what is the sound of a motorcycle? Broom, 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 broom. Very good. And what is that? Is that a loud sound or a soft sound? That is a loud sound. Very good. So now you can identify the soft and the loud sounds. That's great. This time, I want you to produce first the sounds of the objects and tell me if it produces soft sound or loud sound. Is that clear? Let us now start. The first picture is a drum. What is the sound of a drum? Boom, 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 boom. And what is that? Is that a soft sound or a loud sound? Very good. That is a loud sound. For the next picture, that is a bird. So now, what is the sound of a bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. Very good. So now, what is that? Is that a soft sound or a loud sound? Bird produces a soft sound. Very nice. So now you can identify the sounds of the animals and other objects around you. And you can now also classify the sounds into soft sound and loud sounds. Before we end, let us have a short recap. Again, sounds can be classified into two, the soft sound and the loud sound. And soft sound has a low volume, while the loud sound has a high volume. Do you have any question about loud and soft sound? If that is the case, before we end, as your English teacher, I want you to read English books, to watch English movies, and always attend English class. This is for you to improve your knowledge in English. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.